na boy group na mga Marino na kumakanta. And support niyo po ang aming page sa Facebook. So, Jam Marineros po sa YouTube. Jam Marineros lang din po. And sa social media ko po, search nyo lang po Andy Bue. Lalabas na lang po yun yung mukha ko po, malaking mukha po. Yun po, lalabas na lang po yun. Pati sa YouTube po, meron po yun. Yun lang.
Okay, Papa Jams at Papa Dricker, wag natin palapasin to. Let's all welcome Sopas. Bigla ko nagutom.
Ayaw ko lang kayo ng isang kantang mainit. And through drawing fame and natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? And when we're making love, your cries, they can't be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us, oh yes. Everything I need between those eyes. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it, babe. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? And I take some time and just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it finds down into the memory, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Yeah. Ayun lang, Papi. Thank you po, thank you. Thank you sa mga nagbato. Hello.
Hello?
Wow, very nice. Very
Thank you po,
nice
thank you.
voice. Sopas. Ayan.
Ang ano,
Nagutom
no?
ako.
Talagang, Ang init. Actually, naghanap ako ng goto tsaka sopas dito sa bahay.
Oo, gusto ko rin
Oh.
ganyan.
O, pa-shoutout po
Parang gusto
natin
ko na
si,
magluto ng sopas.
Papa Jams, Papa Drigger, pa-shoutout muna natin si Papa Sopas. Papa Sopas, i-shoutout muna sila.
Okay, shoutout po kay Selena. Ayan po yung family ko po sa Wissing. Powerhouse po yun. And shoutout po kay Giselle. Hello, Ate Giselle. And sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta po kay Papa Jimboy and sa gang. Shoutout po sa inyo. Napakagaling po talaga ni Papa Jimboy sa mga ganitong bagay. Thank you po, Papa Jimboy. And all
Thank
of you
you.
po. Thank you po.
Sopas. Sobra. God bless Sopas. At hindi lang ito yung huli,
God
no?
bless po, God bless.
Actually, sa anniversary, mas marami. Mga 5 oras tayong magla-live.
Yun.
Ganun. Thank you, Sopas. Thank you. Please
Thank you
follow
po,
Sopas.
thank you po.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Papa Trigger, DJ Jams, alam nyo, sa totoo lang, napag-isip-isip ko,